Hi everyone, so I am in my car because I am about to take my dog to get her hair groomed and she absolutely hates it. She doesn't hate it, she just hates the place because the place is the same place where she gets like injections. It's all the same kind of complex, so she freaks out every time she gets there. Such a good day today. I've got a couple of things to do. I've got to go to the dermatologist for my skin, which I'm on Accutane at the moment, and it's clearing up heaps. I might make like a comparison video of like my skin like a couple months ago to a couple years to like now, because it's changed like drastically. And then I want to go to Mecca because Morphe's there, and all I can look at right now is my double chin. And I think that's it. So we've just picked up Madeline. Here she is. Want to say hi? Oh, she's so cute, I can't even handle. I am so red because we've just been to the dermatologist, and the dermatologist said that my skin is doing so good. It's not really dry and stuff like that. So she's actually going to up my dosage of the acne medication. So this is such a weird angle and my hair looks awful. I didn't realize how like much my hair had regrown until I just looked at it. I'm going to a festival at the end of the year, so I'm gonna get it done right before the festival, and then I'm probably gonna go back brown. I went to Mecca for the BeautyLoop boxes and I got some stuff, so I thought that I would just do a little like car haul sort of thing. I don't know, I watch vlogs heaps and I see these. I don't know if anyone's even watching or anyone's even interested. Also went to Priceline, and Priceline now has like these like ugly paper bags, and I get it like no plastic and stuff like that. I got some teeth flossing little stick things, and I got this primer. It's the Australis primer, the original. It's like a really hydrating primer just if my skin's feeling like a little dry, and lately it has been on the Accutane. My skin's getting a little bit more dry. I use this since I was like 14, whenever I started wearing makeup, and my like old videos in like 2014 or 2015 or something like that. This is when I was using it, so if you're a subscriber since back then, you'll remember that. And then I got two different lip liners. They're pretty much the exact same color. One's by Savi and one's by Essence. Really cheap lip liners. I honestly don't know why I got them. I just saw them and was like, yep, cool, I want them. And then I got an Essence Make Me Brow Mascara. I have the dark one of this and I really like it. I just got the one in 01 Blondie Brows, just because sometimes when I get my eyebrows tinted, they go like really dark, and I just want to add this on top to see if it like kind of makes them not look so harsh. And then I went to Mecca, and this is the whole reason why I went shopping. I really need to do something like about my double chin, or just lose weight in general, because it's all I can stare at, just this little like turkey thing. So if you're staring at that too, hope you're getting a laugh out of it like I do. First thing that I got was in that little like walkway aisle before you get to like the checkout thing. Always gets me, I don't know why, but it's like the first place I look just to see like what's new, and then it's always the last place I look too. I don't know why I go there first and last. I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and I'm kind of digging like the simple packaging. I hate when things are in a box, but this is a sleeping mask. Once I start taking the 20 milligram, I'm going to get way more dry. And then another hydrating product I got was the Mario Badescu facial spray. It's just the aloe green one. I've had this a zillion times. I think I've had all of them apart from the purple one because I hate the smell of the purple one. But yeah, I'm on like a real like hydrating kick. I ordered like $200 worth of Sephora stuff about 2 months ago, as soon as I went on Accutane, and it was literally all just like oils and moisturizers and stuff like that. And then I got 2 samples of the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. I just got 2 shades because I'm not tanned at the moment, and that's usually when I wear foundation, so I wanted to match that. My best friend wears this and she said she loves it. I trust her, so I'm going to give it a try. And then the last thing is the BeautyLoop box, which is the whole reason why I went. If you don't know what a BeautyLoop box is, basically Mecca, it's sort of like Sephora in Australia before Sephora actually came here, and they do these every 4 months. And basically if you get enough points you move up. I was like $30 off getting a BeautyLoop too. So basically this is what you get every 4 months. You just get like samples and new products. It's pretty cool, like it's free. You don't even have to buy anything when you go in. Oh, the lighting's like coming up on my chin. Hopefully it's like blocking my double chin out, not like highlighting it. So the first thing here is the Tocca Gia perfume. I hope I'm saying that right. Then there's a sample of the Josie Moran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, which is perfect for me because, as I said, I'm trying to try more hydrating products. Then there's a Shantae Kali. Oh my god. Yeah, I was not meant to speak a different language. It's called the Lip Chic, and it's basically just like 3 samples of 3 different lip colors. Last thing is a pretty good sample size of the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. This is a gel cream. So that's everything that I got, and I'm going to end this pretty boring car haul now. So because I bought this today, I am going to apply this tonight. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It says glowing, radiance and softening. Literally doesn't say like how long you're meant to leave it on for. It says you're meant to apply it after like you've applied everything else, but just for testing it out, I'm going to apply it on its own because I don't have like that dry skin, so I might be able to get away with it. Whoa. I don't know if you can see that. It's like, is it meant to be like that? It's literally like water. Oh my god. This feels like silky. What the hell? I don't like how I have to get it out of the jar though. It like doesn't come out easy. Oh god, if you can go into like a Mecca or like a Sephora or wherever, it stocks it wherever you are, and feel this. Oh my god. It smells so good, but it literally, it just feels so weird. As weird as it sounds, it kind of feels like watermelon, which makes sense because that's what it is. So I'm gonna leave this on all night and I'll see how it feels in the morning. My face is so shiny. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. If you enjoyed watching this video, please comment down below, or if you actually got to the end, just let me know. I'm curious if anyone actually watches to the end. I'm trying to be a little bit more confident with like uploading and stuff like that. I always have that little voice in the back of my head that's like, what are you doing? Like, that's not funny, or that's not cool, or I don't know, it doesn't look right, or just something in the back of my head telling me like don't upload that. So words of encouragement would be great. Okay, bye.
Should we introduce ourselves? Oh yeah, goodbye. Yeah. So this is a full coverage, you don't need to tap it because it's a cream. This brush, which you want to use for... Oh, shit. Why was this point?